Have you ever felt like life is moving too fast and you're just along for the ride, drifting without clear direction? You're not alone. Most people feel lost or out of control at some point. But here's the truth. Regaining clarity and control is not only possible, it's within your reach. Today I'm giving you a powerful framework to help you define your path, make better decisions, and take charge of your life. Let's dive in. First, everything starts with your values and beliefs. Without knowing what truly matters to you, you'll always feel scattered. Ask yourself, what do I stand for? What principles guide my actions? Identify your core values, whether it's freedom, family, integrity, or growth. When you align your decisions with your values, life feels more meaningful, and clarity comes naturally. If you don't define your values, someone else will do it for you, and you'll always feel lost. When you're unclear, decision-making feels like an impossible task. But here's a secret: clarity isn't a magical feeling. It comes from action. Start by asking better questions. Instead of what should I do, ask, who do I want to become? And what decision aligns with that vision? Break decisions into small, manageable steps and trust yourself. Each decision you make with intention builds momentum toward the life you want. Clarity grows when you understand yourself. Take time to assess your strengths and weaknesses. What are you naturally good at? Where do you struggle? Knowing this helps you play to your strengths while actively improving your weak spots. It also allows you to delegate, collaborate, and seek help when needed, freeing your mental energy for what truly matters. Your emotions shape your perspective more than you realize. When you feel stuck, it's often because you're suppressing or ignoring your emotions. Practice emotional awareness by regularly checking in with yourself. Ask, what am I feeling? Why am I feeling this way? Emotional clarity helps you respond instead of react, giving you more control over your life's direction. The people around you either lift you up or weigh you down. Audit your relationships. Are they supporting your growth or causing confusion? Seek out people who inspire and challenge you to be your best. Clear communication and healthy boundaries also give you greater emotional and mental space to focus on your goals. Life will throw challenges your way, but the most successful people see obstacles as opportunities for growth. When facing difficulties, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? How can this make me stronger? Resilience isn't about avoiding problems, it's about meeting them head-on and using them to fuel your progress. If you don't design your life, life will design you. Be intentional about your daily habits, routines, and long-term plans. Set clear goals that align with your values and vision. Design your days with purpose, schedule time for what matters and eliminate distractions. This is how you shift from reactive to proactive living. Clarity requires regular reflection. Schedule time to review your progress, challenges, and wins. Ask yourself, what's working, what isn't, how can I improve? Reflection turns experience into wisdom and keeps you aligned with your evolving goals and purpose. Clarity and control thrive when you stay connected to what excites you. Identify your passion, what activities energize you, and what topics do you love to explore. Lean into these areas because they're often clues to your greater purpose and life's work. Never stop dreaming. What would your ideal life look like if there were no limits? Write it down, visualize it, be specific. Your aspirations give you direction, and every small action toward them fuels your momentum. Dreaming big isn't wishful thinking, it's a roadmap for a future you're excited to create. Your purpose isn't something you find, it's something you build. Reflect on where your values, strengths, and passions intersect. How can you serve others with your unique gifts? Living with purpose gives your life direction and makes even the hard days meaningful. Your vision is the long-term picture of the life you want to live. Your mission is how you plan to get there. Write down your vision in vivid detail: where you live, how you spend your days, who you're surrounded by. Then craft a mission statement that outlines how you'll make it real. This clarity becomes your compass when life gets chaotic. Clarity and control aren't distant dreams, they're the result of intentional action. Start by getting clear on your values, making effective decisions, and designing your life with purpose. Reflect regularly, embrace challenges, and surround yourself with people who elevate you. Your best life isn't something you stumble into, it's something you create, and you can start right now. I'd recommend starting by getting my formula called Visionary Confidence. It's linked in the description. It takes you step by step through a proven process of understanding yourself and what you want from life on such a deep level that you leave the exercise with complete clarity. It can be completed in about an hour, and it includes 50 questions for passion and purpose to help you figure out what lights you up, what gets you going, and how to get clear and excited about life again. If this resonated with you, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. What's the first step you're taking today to gain more clarity and control in your life? And as always, good luck.